Welcome back to your boy Destination Trucker. Thank you for tuning in to another video. We are on our way to the grocery store. We're going to swing around the back of the house there, fire up the car. Still the weather is cold again. I can't get the warm weather, folks. I cannot get the warm weather. Still pretty cold out. In the mornings, I wake up. I have allergies this time of the year. So when I wake up, I am... Alright folks, so we just stopped out back here right quick. I'm going to fire this up so it warms up some. We will just go to the back here, get a cold start of this. In the morning, hit that button. On my shoes. I don't know why it does that, eh? It's like it doesn't get enough fuel that first start. I don't know, it takes a second, you have to wait for the second one. I gotta get this over to the car wash too. Get it over to the car wash, get this all washed out, this back part. So, there she should fire up. No, she's not gonna fire up that way, okay. Gotta do her the old fashioned way, folks. Oh, there we go. She went. She went. She's just stubborn in the morning. Okay, so make sure we're all locked here. Yeah, she's all locked. Good. We'll get back in the car and keep going here. We don't need to don't need to sit here while it warms up. She's fine. We'll just leave her warm up and we'll keep going. We'll see you in a second. Alright folks, so we are in Walmart here. Just good deal on this aisle. As you can see, still there's a lack of ass wipe. I guess I don't know what people are thinking that they need toilet paper so badly. Like, I mean, like literally, like we buy one of those big packages of toilet paper. What does it come with? 48 rolls. I'm sure that lasts us like almost a month. So, and that's the 2 kids and me and the wife. So, I don't know why people need so much toilet paper, right? Like, it just doesn't make sense. All right, folks. So my son decided he was gonna cough, and it seemed like everybody kind of cleared out of the area. It was kind of funny, but anyways. We got some groceries. We are going now. We got to get some dog food. And cat litter. Oh, and cat litter? Yeah, dirty old cats. I really don't like cats, folks. No offense to anybody who does, but I just think an animal that pisses in the house should not be in the house. But anyways, that's my opinion. We'll just keep going with other things. Son had to bring that up, so you know how I am. I just speak my mind. So anyways, this place is dead, folks. It is dead here. Like, there's hardly anybody here. Like, it's so surreal, I guess what you should say, or I don't know. Like, yeah. Well, it's just something else, man. Something else. It's almost like, you know, I'm surprised they're even staying open. Anyways, I gotta look at some things. We'll get back to you. Alright folks, so we are back at a Walmart and we are on our way back home, and do I got a surprise to show you guys when we get back to the house. I gotta set it up and then I'll be showing you, but if you look here, like if you just look, like it is unbelievable, folks. There's like hardly any traffic out, like so dead. Like, it's unbelievable, and it's a Friday too. Like, you know, Friday is usually like dead busy, like crazy. People everywhere's driving, and you know, but man, she's pretty quiet. Zombie town. Yeah. If anybody's taking offense to this, maybe you shouldn't be watching. But anyways, let's get to the house, and then I'll show you the surprise. Alright folks, so we made it back to the house and we got the groceries put away and stuff. And remember how I was saying I wanted to show you a surprise? Well, you know this here, like you've seen before, my little office or whatever that I had. You know, the projector screen was going to go there. I have that up there. But we added something new to this. This is called the classroom, folks. This is where I'm going to be teaching my kid school because the government is keeping everybody home because they're trying to save money this year. Instead of paying teachers, they're going to not pay us. No, I'm only joking. But if you don't remember in one of the videos where I bought some lumber for my car to fix my car, and I said, remember, I don't know, one of my videos, I said I had to lower this down because it was too high. So that lumber that I bought, I'm going to use it for there. And basically all I'm going to do is just add it so that it lowers that down some. It shouldn't be too hard to do. I should be able to do it fairly easy and actually be able to bring that forward some. I wish I had an extra piece of this because what I would do is I'd cut it out so that that just fit in there perfect and then the rest of it would be covered up. But unfortunately I don't know how to have that, so we're just going to lower it down and that's going to be my son's new classroom screen. This is no $1 million school like spec, if anybody knows what I'm talking about. But this here is Dad's classroom. So I went to Walmart and I bought 2 chairs and 2 desks because I figured he's going to be bored anyway, so we'll try and sit him in. If he acts up, we'll get rid of him. He goes to detention. But, you know, it'll actually help him learn too because he's going to be going to school next year. So, not this year, folks, but next September, right? So, what is it, 21? This is 20 now, so yeah, in 21, September of 21, he's going to be going to school. So this kind of gives him like a preschool because unfortunately we were going to put him in preschool this year, but we can't do that because of everything that's going on. So with that said, I'm going to be a teacher now instead of working on cars. I'm going to be a teacher. So Monday classes is when classes are going to start back up. Like I said to him, I said he's supposed to be going on his March break this week coming. But since he had the whole week off, next week he'll have his March break. He'll be in school for his March break. So, you know, it works one way or the other, right? So, anyways, with that said, my son is now going to have a classroom. And I got a coffee to drink, folks. So, I'm going to go drink that there. But if you like this video, don't forget, give it that thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications. We'll see you on the next one.